Okay, so let's contrast full line bore versus custom bore. Obviously, here we have full boring pretty much everywhere you look, except this panel right here, which is great. We don't really want holes everywhere, but all of our panels have holes, and this is going to be awesome for installation, way easier, adjustability for the customer. The hardware and accessories are all going to fit a lot easier, and just overall, it's going to make for a much cleaner experience. Now, you may want to do custom bore because, well, physically, visually, it is much cleaner to not have holes. I would advise against it unless you absolutely have to. You should try to find a way to use full line bore. But if you don't have a drill block or you have a picky customer or it's a super high-end home, they don't want holes, I will have some videos in here to basically make this all custom bore. Custom bore means that we don't have full line bores. We only have holes where we need them. So holes for adjustable shelves, there would still be full holes. But holes for fixed shelves, holes for our hanging rods, holes for our drawer hardware and our doors, everything is going to be shotgun bored at that point. So again, try to stick with the full line bore, but if you need to do custom bore, this library can also handle that as well.